Hi, welcome to day 1 of India. In this series, we are going to explore different food from states of India. So, for day 1, we have state of Karnataka and the famous food Akki Roti. I don't know if I pronounce it right or wrong. Kindly let me know in the comment sections. Now, Akki basically means rice, so it is basically rice roti. So, I didn't have the rice flour, so I basically grind it in the mixer jar. Then add some onions to it, and along with curry leaves, green chili, coriander, and other spices. Which state are you watching this video from? Please let me know. And which state would you like to see next in this series? I grated ginger along with some coconut. Coconut is fresh coconut. Add some cumin seeds, salt, and oil, and add some water and make a softer dough. While adding water, make sure you add water gradually. This roti is a little bit difficult to make than usual wheat flour roti because rice flour is having onion, coriander, and much more in it. And this roti is not made by rolling it up. Wait and watch. I made the soft dough, and for the chutney I am preparing over here. In a pan, take some oil, add some chana dal, roast it slightly, add some curry leaves, red chili along with some fresh coconut. Now add a piece of tamarind, and this will give your chutney a sweetness, a tanginess, and super tasty. Add some roasted chana dal that is found in market. Add some coriander and grind your chutney. You can make a tadka for your chutney, but I like it directly, so I didn't make a tadka. Now for the akki roti, it is usually made on a banyan leaf or banana leaf, but I didn't have it, so I used the butter paper. Now grease your pan as well as the butter paper with oil and your hands too and make your roti. Now as I saw on the internet, everyone was making this 3 holes in it, but then I researched for it and then I saw that making this 3 holes will give it like it will cook properly from inside, and you have to add in oil inside this. As you saw, my first roti was broke and the second turned out really good. It didn't broke from anywhere. This was really good. Let me know for the second stage. Bye bye.